The word about the opening of Gavin's restaurant has evidently gotten around. The first guests arrive. What's on the menu today? Not bad. Only the cutlery's missing. But in that department, the crows are in their element. A fresh tree shoot. Cut off the green bit. That should do the trick. Quick, back to the table. But at the first attempt, it's abundantly clear. The stick is too short. Just an oversight? Or is it lack of experience? In any case, Gavin's next guest opts for a longer device. Carefully pry out the meat. Use the foot to push against the edge of the hole. Seems the first bite is tasty. Okay, now for the whole piece. But watch out. The trunk is round and it's rolling away. That's the way the cookie crumbles. The perfect probing tool needs a hook at the tip. Aha! That's the way to do it. It works.